Hi, this is Meir from Beable Traders. I'm gonna do a recap. Today is Friday, September 6th. Not a great recap. Really frustrating day. Not happy with the way the trades worked out. I didn't trade that bad. I think I did not manage my trades well, but I think the ideas were okay, and I controlled my risk, meaning I didn't let any trade go like really bad about me, against me, and I didn't overtrade too much. So that's what I'm glad. So let me go over. Docu, everyone knows, gapped up 20+%, but then it was really selling off before ahead of the open. I wanted to take this long based on the daily chart, but what happened was it was really long with this big gap up. The problem was that it was selling off really strong ahead of the open, so I did not like that for the long. Let me get the 1 minute chart. I didn't like that for the long, so here as soon as it opened, it dropped, and I decided I'm gonna get short. So I got short at let's see the exact fill. I got short here at 55.50. I got filled, and I was waiting for the breakdown to 55 here, 54.93. I was waiting for that breakdown. I didn't get it, and it squeezed up against me, and as you see, it eventually squeezed up through 56.38. So I got out here at 55.87. So this was about, I don't know, 30 cents, 40 cent loss. So this was my first trade. So this, as soon as I took this loss, I wasn't as collected as I would like to be, and I started doing some defensive trading. So my next trade was Lulu. So I saw Lulu popped up very strong. It was also up very strong on earnings, and so here it ran away before I had a chance to look at anything, and then it came back here to the VWAP, and it looked like it was holding here above this bottoms. So I took it long at 199, about 199.20. I don't remember exactly where I got filled, and I was looking for the pop back to the high of day as an ABCD on the 1 minute. It's so strong. Lulu is very strong. It was up like 5%, and Lulu overall is really strong. Always when it gets into earnings, it goes very strong. So I was long biased. And here, this trade was mismanaged because it really did work out, but I don't know. I put my stop too low. After the docu trade, it was a little unrattled. I took this trade, stopped myself out when it cracked through the 199 here, cracked to 199.80. I stopped myself out. This needed more room. Should have let it here. Maybe I took too much shares. Better take less shares and give it the proper stop than take more shares. Already below VWAP, and it was a really big sell-off, so that contributed to the loss. So this trade was mismanaged, but the idea was good, and that was my second loser. Then I went over to ZM. Zoom reported earnings. It was flat, pretty much. The earnings were flat, but here it popped off the open, and so this huge drop. Then on this pullback, I decided I'm gonna get short with the stop at VWAP. So I got it at 93.87 with my stop here at 94 and change about, and this just quickly squeezed against me. I wasn't even ready. 94.53. I was like frozen I was like the deer frozen in the headlights. It really moves like 20-30 cents like in a tick, and doesn't really trade very well. I took a little bigger size because I was really confident that it's gonna come back into the previous day close, go green to red. So I did not stop myself out. This was a mistake. I went too heavy also. And here, when I couldn't crack this 93, I took off a little bit, and then at the break even, I got all out. This was my third trade. So this was basically a scratch, small, tiny loser. So I was down. Then I took my final trade, losing trade, on Crowd. Crowd was very weak. Here it sold off, and then when it pulled back, here it pulled back. I took it short. I wanted to get back to the low of day here. I took it short at 77.50, got filled. Also doesn't really move too well. I was looking for low of day and beyond 50 cents, but it squeezed against me and it broke through this whole dollar here at 79. So that's where I got out. This was not a good setup because it was really extended. Yes, it was a pullback, but should have waited, at least got it closer to VWAP, see it fail again. I didn't get it to fail, so not so proud of this trade. So it's a tough day, but I want to do the recap anyways and show you guys what I did today. Thank you very much for watching. I'll appreciate any feedback, and have a wonderful weekend.